Hi.
Hi everyone.
Start again. Hi, welcome back to the channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to Howard channel.
Very good. So today I'm going to show you the effects, and they're free and they're from Google, and it's really fantastic technology. And then I'm going to teach you how to use it. So if you don't enjoy the effects, no need to carry on watching the tutorial. Say tutorial time.
Huh?
Tutorial.
Tutorial.
That's good enough.
Yeah.
Okay, and subscribe now.
Don't forget.
Okay, so what you do to do this, you go to Google Chrome. I believe it only works on Chrome, but I guess on an iPhone it probably works on Safari, but it should work on any newer phone for sure. You choose an animal, in this case I put down dog, view in 3D, and here we have the dog. Now, what's very important, you see that little bar 3/4 of the way down? If you lift that up, you will see loads more animals that you can choose. So, many animals. Okay, and now I'm going to view in my space. Okay, there it is. And one little dog. I can move it around. I can make it bigger, smaller. And that's all you have to do. And once you like it, you press the record button like so, and now it is actually recording it. Very clever, a lot of fun. And that's it. So that's about as simple as it can be, and you can edit it and do whatever you want. Cheerio, subscribe, speak to you soon. Very clever. Look at that. Amazing. Just amazing. Let's see what else we have. Take two.
Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe. Bye bye.